Welcome to Redbeard and the Den of Tools. Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the Den of Tools, and today we're here to talk about some smoking hot deals. Yeah, the bear's been scraping through his pile of honey-flavored deals here, and I think I've got together a nice set. One in particular I'm pretty excited about, and that is this one, the Hitachi 4-piece combo set. Now, I know I'm not usually a huge fan of combo sets, but Hitachi makes some amazing tools, and they're one of these companies that people just kind of forget about, and I'm not sure why. You know, everyone likes to talk about Milwaukee, and, you know, you hear some people talking about Makita, and I'm a big fan of both, but, you know, Hitachi's right up there, man. They make some great tools, and they're getting closed out, not because the tools are going away, but because they're getting new clothing. They're getting rebranded because Metabo bought them out. It's funny, one of the Cubs asked me if Metabo bought them because they're almost the same color. Oh, kids. Anyway, heck, I don't know, he might be right. Anyway, the point is this. They've got a rebrand to come out. They add that Metabo Hikoki or whatever they're naming it now. And as such, they're getting rid of all the old tools. I mean, really, as far as I understand, they're just coming back in new mold that says Metabo with a little Hitachi underneath it or something like that. Point of the matter is, you can get a great 4-piece kit here. Now, granted, I think it does come with a light. But that recip saw, the drill driver, the impact, I mean, these are great tools. They really are. Now, this is over at Lowe's, and you're going to get all four of these tools here for $200. And if you don't know, a lot of people don't know this, don't seem to realize, Hitachi's got a lifetime warranty on their lithium-ion tools. So, you know, you might want to check it out. Now, granted, that's lifetime of the tool, not of you. So they do it a little bit differently. Anyway, that's a great set. You can't go wrong with that. Next up on the list, over at WOOT. Now, WOOT, if you don't know what WOOT is kind of like Amazon's clearinghouse. They used to do like one deal a day kind of thing, and after Amazon bought them, they kind of expanded, and they do a lot more tools and a lot more deals. But they've got the DeWalt 60-volt FlexVolt grinder with kickback brake kit for $280. Now, this may not seem like a great deal to you or something, but this is something that almost never goes on sale. This is an amazing tool. I know you say, you know, the bear, but you don't like DeWalt. I don't like DeWalt's low-end tools. I don't like their base stuff. When it comes to grinders, it's hard to beat DeWalt. And this FlexVolt grinder, it's a beast. So if you've been looking for something like this is the one to get. All right. Next on the list, we got a Bosch 21-piece set gold oxide coated twist drill bit set for $9.98. This is over at Lowe's. This is one of their sales prices, not part of their clearing out for Craftsman deal. So you should be able to find it fairly easily. It's 50% off. If you're looking for some good drill bits, you can't go wrong going with Bosch. All right, and over at Home Depot, yeah, for cleaning up the shop, they've got their deal of the day. This is today only. Today only. They've got their Dyson V7 Motorhead extra cordless stick vac for $250. Normally, this thing is $400. Dysons are pricey, and I'll be honest, they used to be really, you know, king of the roost, as it were. And Shark and a bunch of other companies have caught up with them. But when it comes to these little handheld ones, man, it's hard to come close to the kind of power they get with that little vacuum there. And if you want something for getting into the nooks and crannies and getting the stuff out of your shop or even around your den, this is not a bad tool to have. For $250, again, it's the one day only over at Home Depot. Next up, at Northern Tool, and yeah, you can order this online, is the clutch steel welding table with toolkit. And so if you've been looking for a welding tool or welding table, I admit the Harbor Freight's got a decent one. It's not too bad, but this kit is pretty awesome. You got you got the basic table itself. It's got 4 clamps, all the adjustments and stuff there for $150, one and done kind of situation. You know, this just seems like a no-brainer to me. All right, back over at Home Depot, we've got the M12 Fuel brushless cordless hacksaw. Now remember, I maybe gave Milwaukee some grief about the hacksaw, but that was for the M12 base one. The M12 Fuel, it's got some guts to it, and it can really do a great job. when you're climbing a ladder or getting a small crawl space, that single-handed operation for those hacksaws is pretty amazing. Now, what we got here also is that when you buy it, it comes with a free M12 3/8 ratchet. That thing's a tiny little beast. This is a great combo kit to pick up for $180. All right, next on the list, over at Sam's Club. Now, I'm sorry if you don't have a Sam's Club near you, and you know the Bear's not often a fan of sets and stuff. And this is not a high-end set, but a lot of guys ask about like truck sets, something that they can toss in the back of the pick-em-up truck if they need it, and they don't care if it goes missing. Well, this is a Sam's Club special. I think this is their own house brand. It's a 200-some piece set, socket and wrenches and whatnot, for $50. Yeah, that's hard to beat right there. Who knows about the quality and stuff, but again, this is what we call like either a starter set or a truck set, or maybe the as we like to call it, the brother-in-law set. Somebody comes by, says they need to borrow some tools. You're like, there's the box you can use. go to town. But for those young guys just getting started, maybe you just need to fill out your toolbox, and that's a quick way to do it. All right, I want to jump over to the old Harbor to Freights. A lot of people are complaining there have been a lot of recent free coupons out, and yeah, the free stuff has been getting thinner and thinner, but they've got a huge free event. Okay, their idea huge is a little interesting, but what they do have here is on the right, they have one of my favorites. That's the 4-inch magnetic parts holder. The tried and true tarp right in the center, but something new, they've got one of those, light switch lights for free now, 200 lumens. These suckers are bright. Do not look at it when you turn it on. Okay, how about this? You're going to do it anyway, and then you're going to be like, I should listen to the Bear, because that thing is hecka bright. It's ridiculous. These things are great for just putting lights in those places where you normally don't have them. I like to use them in my my toolboxes. Like I've got the Yukon toolbox, and down underneath there, it can be hard to see what you got up in there. And I just put one of these just inside the door. You can flip it on. It has 2 little magnets on the back. They're not very robust, but it's not jumping around or anything. There's also some Velcro strips so you can peel and stick. Makes a great work light. Like if you do it under the arm of a drill press to light up your workspace, you can put it in a gun safe. All sorts of great places. Their LED strips, or the batteries, last a good long time. They're replaceable, so it's not a disposable thing. These things they're pretty handy when you start to think about it. All right. And also there's a 20% off coupon going on till July 14th. Here's a super secret. I'm pretty sure there's always a 20% off coupon somewhere. The 25% are a little more rare, but I'm fairly certain there's always a 20% coupon going on. All right. And next up, also, let me scroll down to the bottom here. They've got, if I can show it here, the 70-gallon 2-horsepower dust collector for $179. That's a great one. I think it goes down that price every so often, but that's one of the lower prices you're going to see that at. If you've been looking to get one of those, maybe do a 2-stage conversion on it, now's the time to pounce on that. All right, next up, kind of outside our normal stuff, I thought I'd throw in a bonus round here. Over at Best Buy, this great set of Nikon Pro Staff 8x42 binoculars, normally, it was $120. I think they're clearing them out. They're now $30. $30. Being up here in Montana, this is something we think about a lot of times because there's some great animal watching and stuff, or in my case, human watching. And, for $30, Nikon makes good glass. There's just no two ways about it. All right, and last up, probably the hottest deal of the day is the Red to Bear coffee mug. Now you too can support your favorite tool bear here on the YouTubes. Just usually it shows up in a link right below most of the videos. You'll see the merch there. Why don't you think about supporting the channel while you're waking yourself up in the morning with your coffee or whatnot in your own personalized. Look at that dapper chap there. He's a pretty handsome bear, if I do say so myself. Anyway, get your Red to Bear coffee mug now. Alrighty, that's all the Bear has for you today. Just wanted to share some of those deals with you. Some of them are going to be moving fast. Remember that the Dyson's a today-only deal. The rest of them should be around at least through the weekend. So, if you pick one of these up, let me know if you've got a hot deal that I didn't cover, why don't you post it down below in the comments there? I'd love to check them out. Always looking for good deals and such. And let's see here if there's any other updates. I just want to also say, I did the video the other day about the Hercules and the rumor about it being discontinued. We had a lot of our agents, their deep freight, checking in saying that I pretty much hit the nail on the head, that they're getting recased, they're putting in new molds, they're coming back out. So, I think we pretty much put that rumor to rest. That's some good news. And if you want a good chuckle, you got to check out the Home Depot boycott. That'll give you a good laugh for your morning if you haven't seen it already. Anyway, that's all the bear has for you. Don't forget to chomp that like button. Just give it a good sound bite. And, subscribe, ring the bell, and, that way you can make sure you don't miss out on any more of these other hot deals or big tool news that comes around the pike. Anyway, that's all the bear has for you today. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.